Hi, I'm Sam Skelton, National Accounts Manager of Fencing. We are here today at LP Innovation Field, and I'm joined by our LP subcontractor, Jason Holmes. Today, we're going to show you how to install LP Elements Performance Fencing.
LP Elements Performance Fencing installs like wood. It's pre-finished, so no need to stain after installing. It comes in exact and consistent dimensions, and it's backed by a 10-year limited warranty from LP, the leader in building solutions. One of the to-dos we can't stress enough: call 811 before you dig, the nationwide DigSafe system. They'll help make sure you don't hit underground electric lines. Before you start, review installation instructions on our website, lpcorp.com/fence. Our website also has additional safety precautions, maintenance tips, and warranty info. The installation instructions also come with the product. Just note that these instructions are for vertical style installation only, not horizontal. There are a couple of privacy fence styles to choose from: true privacy, no gap, board on board, shadow box, and space pickets with a 2 to 3 inch gap, which is common spacing. And it comes in a range of colors. Portland Storm, Mojave Ridge, Carolina Cedar, and Prairie Sand are featured here. Okay, so for a privacy fence, we boiled the installation down to 3 simple steps. First, position the post. Second, attach rails to post. And third, attach pickets to rail. You want to install the post according to local codes and conventions for wood fences, since LP Elements installs just like wood. Once properly installed, attach the fence rails to the post. A minimum of 3 horizontal rails are required for pickets 4 to 6 feet in height. Once you've got the rails in place, begin attaching the pickets to the rails. There should be a maximum of 30 inches on center for horizontal railing. Pickets should have a minimum 2-inch clearance above the ground and should not extend above or below horizontal rails more than 8 inches on center. To reduce picket length, only cut the picket at the bottom. Do not cut the top. Apply adequate layers of touch-up paint to any cut surface, or if the picket is nicked or damaged. The shank diameter should be 0.092 inches or more. If the nail is snug or flush, it's good. If there are visible fibers, you need to touch up. Make sure the nail gun is pushed securely against the fence picket to avoid overdriving the nails. Use a slob-proof paint pen for touch-ups. For touch-ups, our website has a downloadable PDF with detailed instructions on how to apply them. And that's it. Now you know how to properly install LP Elements Performance Fencing.
Check out our website at lpcorp.com/fence for our full list of FAQs and to-dos before installing, plus additional safety and maintenance tips and warranty details. Thank you for watching.